You will be amazed by this 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. The Tahoe delivers the power and capability of a full-size SUV, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe and connected, a serene cabin loaded with amenities, and impressive fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, keyless start, cooled front seat, satellite radio, premium sound system, power liftgate. Powerful workhorse meets comfortable cruiser in the Tahoe. Treat yourself to a road test.